Okay, so in this tutorial, I will show you how to get an afterglow Xbox 360 controller working on Windows Vista. And what you want to do is go to this website. I'll put the link in the description. Then you select, you know, what it is you want to run. It'll be a controller and operating system. Select whichever one you're running on. Then your language, and then hit go. It'll bring you to this link right here, this download, and you can either run it, save it, and um, I just save it, and once you get done you run it, it'll install it, and then okay, so now that you're done installing and running that, you should have your drivers installed into it for running a controller. So you're going to go to start, and on the search thing you're going to type in device manager. Device should do it, it'll pop up, and then you click on it. Okay, once that has come up, you will plug in your afterglow controller into a USB port. It will refresh itself. Then when it comes back up, you'll see it right here. And as you can see, it's got an error because the Windows is not recognizing it. And what you want to do is you're going to right click on it, hit update drive software, then you're going to browse your computer, and then you're gonna pick from a list of drivers that you've already installed. Now, since you installed that driver off the website I pointed out earlier, you're gonna scroll down till you see Microsoft Common Controllers for Windows. Double click on it. Then it'll pop up with a list of controller options. You're gonna want version 2.1.0, and double click on it, and it'll give you warning. Just hit yes, and it will install the driver software, and then your controller should work. After that, it'll refresh, and when it's done refreshing, it should tell you that it's going to be a Microsoft controller right here. See, now it pops up as an actual 360 controller, and that is how you get one of the afterglow controllers to work on a computer. As a side note, if you've already got a regular Xbox 360 wired controller plugged in and you've been using it, it's already installed all the drivers and stuff. All you have to do is go to the device manager, and as you can see, I've got the regular controller, and then I have the afterglow controller, and so the same thing. All you gotta do is just update the drive software, go to browse, let you pick, and then go down to the common controllers, then the two, and all that does is you're just illuminating having to go to a bunch of websites. All you gotta do is go to your device manager and then do it this way, and when it gets done it'll show you that it is a regular controller now. So that's another thing you can do if you've already got a controller installed in it, a regular controller, and you want to put an afterglow on. All you have to do is this part right here, and then now you can see there's two controllers. And for anyone interested, if you want, I can make another video on how to make emulators like Super Nintendo and Nintendo 64, how to play two-player with two controllers on the same computer.